Many people have become well known, or even famous, because of their YouTube videos. Check out this wiki how to learn how to get more views on your YouTube videos. Name your video file accurately. This is a good place to use specific keywords or terms that people may type into YouTube search. If you want people to find your video under the search term funny things to do with your lizard, then that should be the name of your video. This will also help your video be found under the word lizard and term things to do with your lizard. Make sure you include all of your keywords in the video file. Give your video an appealing title. It should be short, engaging, and to the point. If your video is about your kids spilling macaroni and cheese everywhere, just call it Mac and Cheese Disaster. It should pique your viewers' interests without giving too much away. A very effective technique to boost views is to write a title that makes people want to click on it. This is called clickbait. For example, what this lizard does next will surprise you, or you won't believe the weird thing this lizard can do. Consider using your keywords in the video's title. This is one of the main bits of information that YouTube and Google use to decide what your video is about. If your video is about another YouTuber, then use their username in the title. This may help your video show up more in their related videos section. Describe your video thoroughly. Most people ignore this step, but you should take it seriously to increase your views. Describe your video as accurately as possible in the space you are given, taking 2 to 3 paragraphs to write an interesting and precise description of what people can expect when they see the video. This is another great opportunity to include your keywords and search terms for a higher chance of your video being found. Use the best tags. Use all of the keywords from your title and description in the tags section to get more viewers interested. The more relevant tags you use, the more often your video will pop up when people search it. For example, if you're posting a video of your cute sleepy dog, you could use words like sleepy, dog, hilarious, and cutest. Make sure you don't include extra tags in the description, as those are not included when people search for them. You can use tags that describe your video as well as other relevant popular videos to make sure that as many people as possible see your video when they are searching YouTube. Share your video as soon as you post it. The earlier you share it, the more likely it will be to be a YouTube sensation. If you wait a week to share it while it barely gets any views, it'll be much more likely to be forgotten by the YouTube community. Remember, timing is everything. Think of when your audience is likely to watch your video and release right before then. Evenings and weekends are a good suggestion. Email your video to your friends, family, and co-workers. Create an email list consisting of the people who know you well enough to be actually intrigued by your new YouTube video, and send them the link and encourage them to watch it. You can even add, "I can't wait to hear what you think," to show that you really expect them to watch your video. If you don't care about potentially annoying people, just send it out to as many people as you can. If you have an intriguing subject and a persuasive email, there's a good chance anyone will look at the video without even knowing you very well. Share your video through social media. Post your video on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Google+, and any other social networking sites that you've joined. Ask your friends to like, comment on, and share your post. This will help gain some traction on your video post, and it may even go viral. Connect your Google+ and Twitter accounts to your YouTube. Then YouTube will be able to automatically share each new video you upload. You can also use online automation sites like ift.com to post new videos across all your social media accounts automatically. Use a blog or a website to promote your videos. If you have a blog or a website, you can use it to market your videos. If you don't have a blog or website of your own but know friends with websites or blogs that are popular, ask your friends if they can help you out by sharing your video with their fans. Embedding your video on websites can help your video rank higher in both YouTube and Google. If your video is something newsworthy, then consider submitting your video to a news website like Mashable. If it's accepted and posted on a news site, then you will be guaranteed to have many more views. Take out white space. Create your video, then go into an editor and remove the long pauses and other distractions in the video. If the video pace is faster, people will continue to watch. Try to have the same lighting while recording your video and keep the same distance from the camera to make the video cuts blend together better. Add music to your video. A good audio track can spruce up the video and disguise any audio problems you may have had. YouTube just released an audio library you can choose from at 1. If you want to monetize your videos, then avoid using copyrighted music and stick to public domain music or the YouTube library. Include text information. This includes an email address, website, Twitter handle and more. Some people may not be watching this video on YouTube. You want them to know who you are in those cases. Text can also keep or direct attention on screen. Use it to your advantage. Including a link to your channel and other videos in the description can help you get more views. If you want to include links that look a bit too long, you can use a link shortener like goo.gl, which will make them much easier to read. Create credits and bloopers. Put something at the end of your videos to point where they can find you. Add some bloopers or extra footage. People love to see the extras at the end and your watch time might increase. Alternatively, you could have a second separate video that contains the bloopers. You can mention and link that video at the end. This way, if someone watched it, then you will have two separate video views from the same viewer. People who watch more of your videos are also more likely to subscribe to your channel. Get subscribers. Getting subscribers is an excellent way of guaranteeing that more viewers will watch your videos. If someone subscribes to you, then they will see all of your newly uploaded videos on their homepage, and they can even select to be notified via email whenever you've posted a new video. If you want to get more subscribers, you can ask people to subscribe at the end of a video. Include an annotation that encourages people to subscribe to your video, or even ask people to subscribe to you over email. When asking people to subscribe to your video, point towards the subscribe button. This will draw focus towards the button and can result in more subscribes. Ask viewers to like or share the video. At the end or anytime during the video, ask the viewers to like it or share it by mentioning things like it would take 0.12 seconds to hit that like button. It's because most of the time, even after people like the video, they don't notice it. Say something in your video that many people have an opinion on and then asking people to click like if they agree or to comment if they disagree. For example, at the end of a video about your dog, you could say, "I don't think dogs should be on a leash when in public. Hit like if you agree, or tell us what you think in the comments." Simply asking a question in your video can also result in an increase in comments. Create playlists. Playlists are lists of videos that play one after the other, just like a playlist of music. If you create an entire playlist of videos, then viewers will be more likely to view more of your videos. For example, if you create a playlist of different videos that display different gymnastics skills, your viewers can watch your video about cartwheels and then transition right into your video about handstands. Comment a lot. Make sure to be nice. Some people might click on the commenters channel to check out their videos,